England, it has more than 350 parts. But it was assembled in Kolkata because the East India base is in Kolkata. Every hour before 3 minutes the door opened, the toy figure came and he danced the respective hours. Down to the watch you see the 3 digits, the day, date and the month. Apart from that, on both sides of the watch, you can see the silent months. If you observe the watch carefully, you see the 4 not written in English like 1 and 2, they write like 4 lines. Because in English they follow the British, we follow the French. So earlier they showed still oxygen winding, no battery. Okay? This was referred to the use of polygon, but belong to the world with the Salarjung title. Salarjung, the commander, general the war. He is the commander in war of the Nizam, not the Nizam. Thank you.
అసలు వచ్చింది చూడు వస్తాడు చూడు ఇలా కూడా కొడుతుంది చూడు ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఒరిజినల్ దాంట్లో చూడు చూడండి